How to recover Instagram password. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Now, first thing first, launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in Instagram account hacked and you will see report a hacked Instagram account. Open it. As you do so, tap on this visit this page at the top section. And once you do so, you have to give a reason. Tap on my account was hacked if your account was hacked. If you just forgot your password and nothing was wrong, tap on I forgot my password. But for today's video, I'm going to tap on my account was hacked. Tap next. Now as you do so, in order for Instagram to confirm your identity, you have to type in your username, phone number or email address, whichever you have been using in order to log into your Instagram account. Once done, tap on to next. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt that Instagram tells you to do so. Once done, you will be able to recover your Instagram password. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch up in our next upload.